Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and welcome to my channel. Today guys, we're going to be doing some art journaling, my favorite. All right, so go grab your art journals. Here's my art journal right here. I love this collage so much. I just made a collage, slipped it in here, and all this is a sketchbook with empty pages, okay? Art journaling. All right, let's get right into our art journal prompt. So today, literally what I want you to do is sketch what you see. I want you to sketch what you see. So pick what you want. This is like some still life drawing. I think that's what they call it, still life drawing. Have you ever heard the saying, write what you know, create what you know? So I'm using that as sketch what you know, okay? So I'm gonna show you an example of what I did so you can kind of get the gist of where I want you to go with this. So I kind of want this to just be something fun for you to just get started with your journaling, okay? So this is what I did. I just want you to use a number 2 pencil here, nothing fancy schmancy. A number 2 pencil here, and draw something that you see each and every day. And I'm a stay-at-home mama, right? I say that all the time. And so I spend a lot of time sitting in front of the TV because, you know, I got a toddler. She loves her TV. My little Samaria bear. And so this is what I sketched. And guys, I had so much fun doing this. It's insanity. It might look like a simple sketch to you, but guys, this was so freaking fun. You gotta do this. You gotta do this. And this can be like a cup or a bowl that you see all the time. It can be, I'm thinking maybe your couch. I want it to be something kind of simple. Maybe some windows that you look out of. You can even maybe draw windows and draw your view, right? Maybe it's like some apartment buildings. Whatever it is, something that you see each and every day. That's what I want you to sketch. I want you to sketch what you see, okay? Okay, so side note, while you're sketching, you guys, because drawing for me, especially linear drawing with like pencils and markers and matte pencils, is so cathartic. So I want you to pay special attention to the thoughts that come to your mind while you're sketching, right? This is a great time to do some meditation and just zen out, let your mind do whatever it wants to do, reflect on that. It might also be a really good idea to do a journal entry after you've done your sketch and just kind of explore what you experienced while you're sketching. Some things might come up, so it might be a really good idea to do a journal entry after you finish the sketch. Okay, so I really want you to go and join the Facebook group. I've created a Facebook group for us all to just sort of get together and hang out and like share journal prompts, right? I think it'll be really cool and really fun for us all to get together and just like have a place to hang out and share, swap stories, share journal prompts, share art journal prompts, share our sketches with one another. Like, hey, if we're all doing, you know, sketch what you see this week, it might be really fun to see what other people are sketching and just talk and hang out and be a great place for us to support. I'm really excited about the Facebook group, guys. So I'm gonna leave all of that information down in the description box. So just hit the little triangle and open it up and click right on it and join the Facebook group, all right? Alrighty, that's all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below saying something crazy like, girl, that leaf ain't it. I said that because I have these leaves like right here. Leave a comment down below if you've made it this far saying, girl, that leaf ain't it. Okay? Girl, that leaf ain't it. Just confuse everyone else. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool content just like this one. And I will see you next time. Bye.